Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a banned PayPal account. First, you need to understand why your account was limited or banned. Carefully review the email from PayPal or check your resolution center for details. Next, thoroughly read PayPal's user agreement to identify any violated terms. Finally, gather all necessary documents, such as identification or proof of address, to support your case. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful appeal. Once you have a clear understanding, contact PayPal support. The Resolution Center is your first stop for specific account issues, offering guided steps. For more complex situations, call their customer service directly. Be ready to provide your account details and a concise explanation of the problem. Patience is key, as resolving these matters can sometimes take several business days, requiring persistent communication to ensure progress. When requested, promptly submit all documentation. This might include government-issued identification, utility bills, or invoices. Clearly articulate your situation in any appeal, focusing on how you believe the issue can be resolved or why the ban is unwarranted. Follow up consistently, perhaps every 3 to 5 business days, to check the status of your appeal and demonstrate your commitment to resolving the matter. Timely responses are vital. If after all efforts, your account remains permanently banned, consider alternative payment platforms. To prevent future issues, always adhere strictly to PayPal's user agreement and acceptable use policy. Ensure your account information, including contact details and linked financial instruments, is always accurate and up-to-date. Proactive compliance is the best defense against account limitations and ensures smooth transactions for years to come, protecting your financial activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.